Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by enabling the exact services Windows needs to advertise the printer. Open Network and Sharing Center, set the network to private, then turn on network discovery and file and printer sharing. Once done, open Devices and Printers, right-click the printer, choose Printer Properties and enable sharing. Make sure to give the share a simple name. This prevents name resolution issues and lets other machines find the shared queue on the network quickly. Next, make the connection path usable. Allow file and printer sharing and the SMB-related ports in Windows Defender Firewall for private networks. Include both inbound and outbound rules. Then open Services, confirm Print Spooler is running, and set to automatic so the queue persists across reboots. If older clients fail to connect, check SMB versions. Enable SMB1 only as a last resort because of security risks, otherwise prefer SMB 2/3. These steps fix most blocked or intermittent sharing failures. Finally, connect client PCs by adding a network printer. Use the shared path / computer name / share or add by IP if discovery fails. Once done, test printing and use ping, enslookup, and netview to verify the host is reachable and the share resolves. Make sure user accounts have print permissions and the printer driver is compatible on client OS versions. If things still go wrong, restart the print spooler, reboot the router, and recheck firewall rules. Those 3 fixes resolve most lingering issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.